Well, here we are again. Hello everyone, this is CGR Mystic, and I'm doing another video on the Ellusionist How to Be a Magician kit, because the old video is an old video, and I can't watch it anymore, and it's way too long, and I don't want to bother you by having you watch it either. So, this is going to be a much shorter video, just to get to the gist of what I was talking about in that one. I don't like the kit at all, okay? It's now $150, and as I said in the other video, the props are junk. It's aimed at kids a little older than 10, but it clearly has themes for if you're over 18 or let alone over 21. So it's really aiming towards that demographic as well, and I don't think it's worth a 10-year-old's time. Just as well, the main gist of my old video that I posted was that everything on the kit can be found on YouTube. And for that video, I made a playlist of all of the tricks that are on the kit, just made up of videos that I found on YouTube. And so, if you want to know what the kit is all about, go watch that playlist and save yourself $150. And other than that, at the time, there really wasn't a kit or anything aiming at the age group older than 10. But on this channel, I do talk about the Magic book by Harry Lorraine, and I think that's a nice alternative. Just as well, I plan on reviewing the Evolution of Card Magic kit, and I think that's going to be a good contender. But we'll see. You'll have to watch the video. All right. See you next time.